Today we'll be installing the Dell Laptop Retrofit Pocket Kit onto a new Dell Latitude 7330 Rugged Extreme laptop computer in order to make this new computer compatible with Gamber-Johnson's legacy Dell Rugged Laptop Docking Station, Revision N and prior, and Dell Latitude Rugged Laptop Cradles, Revision K and prior. Note that Gamber-Johnson's new Dell Rugged Laptop Docking Stations, Revision O and newer, are already compatible with Dell's new Latitude 5430 Rugged Laptop and Dell Latitude 7330 Rugged Extreme Laptop computers. This retrofit will take less than 2 minutes to install. Please make sure you have the following items with you for the installation: your existing Dell Laptop Docking Station or Cradle, the Dell Laptop Retrofit Pocket Kit, which includes the right pocket extender, the left pocket extender, M3.5 by 12 mm screws, and the installation instruction sheet. To start the installation of the Retrofit Pocket Kit, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the left and right front handle screws. Remove the handle and place it aside with the hardware. Note, keep the original handle screws if you will remove the pocket extenders in the future. Place both left and right pocket extenders onto the front of the laptop. The pocket extenders are labeled R and L. Align the rear tab on the pocket extenders with the front pockets on the laptop. Reattach the front handle using the supplied screws, sandwiching the pocket extenders between the handle and the front of the laptop. Do not over-tighten the screws. The recommended torque is equal to 8 inches per pound. Once the retrofit pockets are installed, perform a fit check to ensure the laptop docks and releases properly. This completes the installation of the Dell Laptop Retrofit Hook Kit. To learn more about our entire assortment of products, visit Gamber-Johnson.com.